While everybody's market is a little bit different, here are 4 things we think you'll see in your housing market this year.
And what we'd like to see from you is a like and a comment.
And if you think we left something off this list that needs to be included next time, make sure you comment it below.
So the first thing that we're going to be seeing in our market and maybe a lot of other markets across the nation is rising rents. Leases coming up and the moratorium ending in many states. I think we're going to see rents still going through the roof this year. So
especially as more and more people are looking for apartments and there's not enough vacant apartments to meet the demand.
Exactly. And more people are selling houses, so they're actually looking for places to live while they're looking for a house that is also not available right now.
Sure. And given how the eviction moratorium went, a lot of landlords are being a lot more careful on who they're renting to.
So with supply still being very down, we haven't seen the new construction kind of picking up enough yet, and demand still being pretty high, I think we're still going to see real estate prices slightly go up. Not nearly like the year over year that we've seen double, digit appreciation, but still a healthy appreciation over this year.
And the next one's going to be interest rates. That's right, folks. Sounds like interest rates are going to continue creeping up. They almost doubled, I think, but they're going to continue going up because it's being put in place by the Fed to combat the runaway inflation that we've been seeing across the country in the last year. That's going to slow down the market a little bit, but we're going to continue to see those rates increase.
Last but not least, what we're already starting to see in our market is days on the market. It's a strong indicator of what is going on and if it's shifting from a seller's market to a buyer's market. Now, I don't think we're even near a buyer's market yet. It's still a very strong seller's market, but we're definitely seeing stuff that used to fly off the shelf on maybe the first day or within the first few hours is now maybe taking 2 weekends to get it under our contract. Which still sounds like, not a bad idea, but...
No, it's still pretty great for sellers out there, but you can see a bit of a shift happening.
So it looks like 2022 is going to be still a good year to be a real estate investor. If you're a flipper, it looks like you're going to get great appreciation and you'll probably get to sell it pretty quickly as well.
And if you're going to buy and hold and be a landlord, you're going to be able to enjoy high rents and strong demand by new tenants. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you're already a subscriber. And if you are, make sure you ring that notifications bell so you don't miss the other upcoming videos. Speaking of other videos, check out that one.